SBET stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday is Sharplink Gaming stock buy. I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief and short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only guy in this trading space that has actually done 43,000 videos and 5 years of experience, and I've documented it all in. For me, 2 cents on this is it's a bearish market. Ever since it came into my supply and then broke structure beneath 23.27, it's been like a bearish. I mean, I've had like a bearish attitude towards it. Even if I sort of zoom out, you will see that. Let's go daily chart. Right, yeah, this is like a great call out that I had here, which was phenomenal, bro. This is just so sick. It was 30 bucks at the time, and then I was only aiming for like 52-ish. Not only did we freaking deliver that, this thing just went crazy. Currently, this is where we are. So the likelihood that the price keeps melting down is still high, but it's just that I'm not gonna sell unless there is a double break or anything. For me to be bullish, I must see breaks above 28.50. That's it. Stay tuned, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, that is, click the first link in the description. It's free.